What is up, guys? Welcome to the vlog. In today's vlog, we have something crazy today. We have that crazy dot in there. You cannot even. Oh, you see that, guys? It's lightning. Cause there's a thunderstorm coming right now. You see that, guys? That's lightning. So it's cool. And look at what time is now. Guess what time is now? It's already 7:15. Oh, there's the guitar, the boxes of shoes, my motorcycle, my boots right there, my shoes, my another shoes, my yellow shoes, my new shoes. Probably this the downstairs. Some all the way up. Some shoes. Some more shoes. Some fire extinguisher. Some fire extinguisher there. If have a fire, just get that up and just like spray in there. So many different kinds. A scary room. Scary rooms like that. And this is the room. It's not scary. This is what looks like the view. Look at that. That is our little model white dwarf sun. And this is two fans. This is an old one. Hashtag old if old. And this is the new one. Hashtag new if it's new. You can see them in 2 times if I just fire it. You can see it closely. And that fancy bed have that little thing right there. My barbecue toys, and that my gas toy, and that cabinet, television, so little. This is some drawers in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. This is 2 little drawers right there. Pen again. And this my old drawers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's. Look at that. Hear that? That is just like dong. And this is my old toy car. It's not working right now. And this is my old shoes. That is my old shoes that I just a little boy, and I just 4 years old. Let's just go down. The folding chair, the big electric fan, so powerful. Nobody's in here. It's somebody's outside. Look at our house. Sorry guys, it's a little bit messy. You're not done yet to clean up. That is my medals. So many. And that is my sister medals. Just mixing together. That is my medals. That is my medals. And my awards. Of course. You have the Public Speaker Award and Kinder Little Award. I have to grade 1. Eager Beaver Award. And what is this? Is this Public Speaker Award? And what's this? No. This is my medal. So many different kinds. Oh, look at mine. Look at Look at mine. So new, so new. That. This my tool. This is my tool. Oh, it's just backwards. You can see now. La. See? Everything's good. And this is the light. If you like this, let's turn on. And if you switch off, it's what's turned on. Let me see. Oh, it's quite nothing. La. Let's just turn off that thing. There you go. And what time is it now? After 1 minute? Oh, you cannot see it very well. It's dark. But if you see in upstairs, what time is it? Woo! It is the beautiful room. And guys, so thank you for watching Tryke on YouTube channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below what you think in our video in our next video. See you next time. Bye. Wait. Bye guys. See you guys in the next vlog. And please smash the like button right there and the subscribe button. Please comment down below. Bye guys.